Hi, welcome to Cooking with Coach Rob. It's the 13th of February 2023. It's been a while since we've done one of these. So I'm going to make a grilled cheese and ham sandwich this afternoon. It's quite simple, but we're going to do it. Okay, I've already got my bread buttered. I actually used, well, I'll show you what okay, we've already got the bread buttered, and we actually used this product here. I can't believe it's not butter. So that's what I like to use. Then we've got our ham ready here. We've got our cheese, so we're gonna put it all together. It's just me with the camera today. So I'm gonna have to. We'll be right back. So I put it in, butter side down, of course. Then I'm gonna put a piece of ham on either side. Right. So we're gonna let that warm up for a bit. Then we're gonna grab the cheese. Okay, we've got the ham on the bread now. Then we're going to put a piece of cheese on either side. Right, and when that melts, we'll flip it together. Now, some people like to put it together when they do it, but when I worked in the cafeteria, we always did it like this way because it was quicker to, it was a bit quicker to cook it. So then you're not flipping it over, right? And are we gonna grab a lid? Do we have a lid here to put on? Yeah, we're just gonna put a lid on temporarily. Like, oh, that's not a very good lid. Okay, I've got a bigger lid. We're just gonna put it on, just for a few seconds, just to get it cooked a bit more. It will melt the cheese quicker. Hopefully, I don't burn it, so I'll have to check regularly. Okay, I did decide to put it together just to grill it up like that, and it's coming along pretty good. The cheese is almost on the verge of totally melted, and you can see how this side it's pretty toasted. We do have the stove on a low level, right? And this pan is the rock pan. Yeah, so it's coming along good. Okay, we've turned it on. We've turned it over a bit, and it's coming along pretty good here. So please like and subscribe to this video. We've got Canucks videos, we've got Royals videos. We're going to do more cooking videos. So there you go. And you can see there's the completed product. As you can see, it did turn out pretty good. It's nice and toasted. We got our oval plate that I originally got from the old Hudson's Bay in Victoria when we got new plates several years ago. Back in the mid 90s, they gave me some of the plates. And that plate is actually from the 60s or early 70s. So there you go.